What is your one travel dream more than all other travel dreams? The place that you dream of and hope to go to in your lifetime. Real travel is when you take to the open road and you accept everything that comes your way, be it thrilling, joyful, difficult, or depressing. This is what the original explorers did. This sense of wonder is crucial. Unfortunately, efficiency and technology is killing our sense of wonder, which is the very thing that made us want to travel in the first place. Today, travel is almost entirely predictable. We can look at the Eiffel Tower on our internet and we can see 500,000 pictures of the Eiffel Tower, so that when we finally go to Paris and see the Eiffel Tower for ourselves, we aren't experiencing the Eiffel Tower. We're comparing it to everything that technology has told us about this. This means that we have lost something. We have lost something from the experience of travel. Just because we can fly doesn't mean we always have to fly. Sometimes in life we should take the bus and go slowly and enjoy and embrace every discovery as it comes to us. Taking a bus, taking public transportation halfway around the world taught me to trust total strangers. I was at the mercy of strangers all the time. Now, there are villains out in the world. There are evil people who do evil things to one another, but they are the minority, thank goodness. Most people are wonderful and trustworthy, and travel teaches us this constantly. The opposite to wonder is terror. And unfortunately, we live in a day and age that is defined by terror. It defines the way we travel. Right now, we are being taught to be afraid of everything. In fact, I think we're more afraid now. The only antidote to terror is trust. And the way that we gain trust is through travel. Travel is one of the greatest human freedoms ever. I'll say it again. Travel is one of the greatest human freedoms ever. All of us are writing our lives in the present tense right now. We want to control the story. We want to add certainty to it. But if we do that too much, not only do we delete the sense of wonder that we have about our lives, but maybe we cancel out another possibility, another discovery that is far more invigorating and enlightening and perfect for us individually. My message is very simple. We need to plan less. Don't be a tourist in your life, taking pictures as it happens. Instead, we need to travel.